Alright guys, I said that the next video is going to be the boat completed, but, well, we only got one more coat to put on the boat, and talk about the motor first. We made a kill switch. It's a PVC pipe with some hose clamps on it. Comes on, comes off. Worked out pretty good. Alright, we just finished the inside of the boat today. Think it came out pretty nice. Got everything painted up, cleaned it up. Got one more coat to put on it. Make sure this still opens because the paint doesn't stick it closed. I think the boat came out really good. From where we started, well, came a long way. We covered up our lights and everything. I'm sure we didn't get any paint on the license plate too. We had a bubble in the floor where he had heated up the floor to put the pole. We had to put some screws in that. I kept this because I found out that this isn't welded together, but it gives it support whenever you push on it. It doesn't move as much. Yep, that's it. Next video should be it completed with everything on it. Stay tuned.